How to delete old Facebook account without password, email, phone number, or username. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video by AppHacks, I'll teach you guys how you can delete old Facebook account without password or email. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you might want to do is open up your Facebook. Now after you're on your new Facebook account, you can just search for your old Facebook account. Now I'll use my friend's account for reference here. Now you cannot, if you do not actually have your password or email, you cannot actually log in into your account. If you cannot log in into your account, you cannot actually delete it from that account itself. The roundabout way for you to delete your old Facebook account is by reporting it enough times so that Facebook gets it noticed and they take it down. So that's the only way. So head over to the profile there, head over to the three dots right besides their username, and after you do that, you should see an option called report. So there you'll see report profile, tap on it, and after you do that, tap on something about this profile, tap on pretending to be, and tap on me. After you do that, you can simply submit your report, and after this profile gets enough reports, Facebook will take it down, and that is how you delete old Facebook account without its password, email, phone number, or username. Thanks for watching guys, that is all for today's video. Do not forget to subscribe to AppHacks and stay tuned for more. Bye bye.